Hi everyone! Today's video is about how to get viewers for YouTube stories. Let's begin! Are you wondering how your fans watch your YouTube stories and how you get views from it? YouTube stories are available only via the mobile YouTube app. There are two ways to see YouTube stories for the channels and watch pages you subscribe to, through your subscription feed or a channel stories tab. To view YouTube stories through your subscription feed, the YouTube story shown via the subscription feed, open the YouTube app on your mobile device and tap on the subscription icon at the bottom of your screen. At the top of the next screen, you'll see a string of profile pictures. Channels with stories content are shown at the left end of the bar. If a channel has a new story you haven't seen, their profile picture will have a colored circle around its edge. To open a story, just tap on the profile picture. Now to view YouTube stories through a channel stories tab, these are YouTube stories shown via the stories tab on a channel page. So open the YouTube app on your mobile device and tap on the subscription icon at the bottom of the screen. Next, find and tap on All at the right side of the subscription feed to reveal all the list of the channels you subscribe to. Tap a profile picture to visit the creator's channel. At the top of the channel, swipe left on the navigation bar to reach the Stories tab. Tap Stories to see all of the active YouTube story content and tap any story to open it. And did you know that in YouTube Stories tab, there's a subscribe button? Here's a pro tip. If you visit the Stories tab of a channel you don't subscribe to, you have the option to subscribe directly from within the story you're watching. And to navigate and watch YouTube Stories content, these are YouTube Stories segment. At the top of each story is a player that shows line segments to indicate how many stories are available to watch from this particular creator. You can tap any segment to view a previous video or image in the story, or to skip to the next video or image in the story. You can also pause any story by pressing a finger to the screen. Simply lift your finger to let the story play on. Swipe from right to left to watch another channel story, or swipe from left to right to watch a previous channel story, and tap the comment box bubble or the left side of the comment box to reveal and engage with the other comments. Did you know that you can get 300% more traffic with just one click? Yes, one click. Go live with pre-recorded videos on Facebook and YouTube for an instant traffic boost. And you can easily do it by using Livecaster 3. It's the world's most powerful traffic boosting application. Get higher SEO rank and viral traffic. Connect Livecaster to Facebook, YouTube, or any other platform. Add any video from your hard disk, schedule, or go live with one click. If you want to know more about Livecaster, just go to livecaster.in. And that is it for today's video. I hope you find it helpful. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.